Go for it. Facing the floor again, we're gonna do what are called plank hip dips, okay? Some of you might find this one easier than the first one we did, but I think I like this one. It helps, again, activate obliques and hips a little bit more, and it looks like this, okay? You can do this from the knee, but I'm gonna show you it from the toe. All right, so I'm coming up in a plank position from my elbows, okay? And then a plank hip dip, basically I'm gonna imagine going over a Bosu ball or like a half ball. So I'm gonna drop my hips just, again, a few inches to the right. I'm gonna hike up and drop my hips off to the left. I'm not touching the ground. There are people out there that absolutely can, but let's just be safe here, okay, and not hurt our backs trying to work our core. And again, I'm gonna challenge you to 30 reps. Okay, so do the best you can. 30 total reps, so that's 15 on the left and 15 on the right, okay? So you're just dropping the hips off just far enough down that you feel some pressure, and then you squeeze and you contract and drop them off on the other side, okay? You're gonna have to keep fixing your feet because I tend to slide even with shoes on a yoga mat. I do slide around a little bit. All right, here we go, last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and time.